Welcome to the Siri Tubing laboratory. Today, we would like to show you the main tests carried out here for capillary tube quality control. Our laboratory performs metallographic examination, intergranular corrosion testing, tensile testing, hardness testing, and weld radiographic testing. Testing begins with sampling and inspection registration. Metallographic examination is used to evaluate the microstructure of the material. Intergranular corrosion testing is used to evaluate corrosion performance under specific conditions. Tensile testing is used to verify strength and ductility. Hardness testing is used to check mechanical performance data. Weld radiographic testing is used to inspect weld integrity and detect defects. Throughout the testing process, the laboratory also completes result recording, report archiving, and sample storage. These tests support product verification and quality control for capillary tube production at Siri Tubing. Siri Tubing, ensuring the quality of every capillary tube.